what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? Coming back at you with another video. So I ordered these shoes back in April, but they did take a long time to come in. But I'm gonna go ahead and share this unboxing with you. So today we have a special unboxing. This probably is one of my most hyped sneakers that I was able to obtain. I did pay resale for these. Some people may think that these are the sneakers of the year, or some people may think that these flop. I did get my pair from StockX. Did place in the bid for like $250, and so to my surprise, I did in that bid. So I ended up paying like $290 something with taxes and fees. But overall, I'm not mad at these with the price I paid. Bam! You see the shoe? You already should know what these are. It does come in that off-white box with that gray Jumpman. That Flight logo at the bottom. Look at these bad boys. Reads the Air Jordan 4 Retro SP Summit White / Navy. My size 10. This is for the personal. First time looking at this myself. We see the lid does have a glossy material. Overall, it's very just clean. Nothing special on the inside of the box. Do have that standard Ford tissue paper. Bam! You see the shoe. Smell like new money. Jordan 4 SB Navy. So in my opinion, this is a better colorway than the first pair, but that's just my opinion. Some people feel like the first pair was a better quality, but I never had those in hand, so it's hard for me to say that. One thing you notice too, this will have a sticker on the inside with that YCM on it. And so just make sure if you're looking for a real for fake, make sure you have all that in there. So looking at these overall, nice, some nice suede on my material. I'm just looking at the quality. Pretty clean pair in my opinion. Check out the other shoe real quick. Overall, my pair is really clean. I don't really see any flaws. Overall, I'm liking these. They look very nice in hand. Let's go ahead and get into the review of these shoes. So overall, it is that white upper in leather. Again, the leather is very soft and tumble. We do see the honeycombs in blue, that navy blue. The wings in white, coming back with that navy outsole. You see that white outsole with that Nike in red right there. It does have the hits of brown at the tip and the heel. And this is what some people were complaining about. They felt like this was too light compared to the first one. They liked the first one that it was a little bit more tan or brown. That's what one of the big complaints about these was. Does see that rugged suede. Again, the suede is not as nice, as the A-Alba Meniere's in my opinion. But let me know your thoughts and comments about this. As you can see right there, it does feature that rugged suede around the toe box. And we do have that midnight blue right here across the midsole. Down at the bottom, you do see that white full length all around. And if you look at the AirPod looking through there, it look like it's red on the inside, which I think is really cool. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not, but that is a nice little touch that I wasn't expecting. So commend Jordan Brand for that. Looking at the toe box, we do see that all white toe box with the white netting coming up with the white laces. Do see that red Jordan Jumpman with that flight patch with their custom seam. Most of the Air Jordan 4s. Looking on the inside of the tongue, we do see that Air Jordan branding, which is custom with all Air Jordans. And one of the biggest difference, or why everyone wants this shoe, of course, we do have that Nike SB branding on the back, which makes this shoe really stand out amongst the regular Air Jordans, in my opinion. You see that back tabs. Those very clean shoes in my humble opinion. Let me know your thoughts and comments about these. Did you grab you a pair? These Jordan 4 SB Navies. Overall, I'm really happy about this shoe. We do see that kind of like white sock liner, so you have to be careful about that. Will get dirty. On the inside, we do see that red, and it does say Nike SB with that Air logo. I do think that's a nice touch in my opinion. One of the biggest difference about the regular Jordan 4s and these is that back tab. This is very soft compared to the regular Jordan 4 in my opinion. I wish that they would do all the Jordan 4s like this, because we have been told that this does cut into some people's ankle. For me, I don't really have that problem with the Jordan 4s, but I did have a problem with that on one of my Jordan 3s, the off Norse. I don't know. I'm assuming that because they were a female pair, they were cutting into me, but I don't know. But overall, this is a clean shoe. I'm looking to see if they come with any extra laces. I don't see any extra laces in here, unfortunately. So it is what it is. But right now, these are going for around $300 in all sizes. And being that the first pair, the pine greens, did go up to $500. I don't expect these to go up, as high as the first ones, but I can see these doing at least $350. So if you want these, go ahead and grab you a pair now while they're low. In my opinion, again, I was able to win my bid off of StockX. And maybe you can win you a pair as well. We know that the hottest shoe, Jordan 4 out right now, is the Nigels. But for me, this is a more wearable shoe, in my opinion. And right now, I can say that these will probably be the sneaker of the year, at least in the running. I'm not saying it's going to be my number one pick, but for right now, what I got, I would have to say this is my best shoe pickup so far. But let me know your thoughts and opinions about these, and which shoes do you think that are running for sneaker of the year right now. A lot of people will probably say the Brick by Brick, the Nigels, but I don't have those in my collection, so I'm just speaking on what I have. And I didn't really go for the bricks because of that red on red. I thought it would be a hard color to rock. Now, I do like it when I saw the pictures with the white laces to make it a little bit more wearable. But again, I didn't really go for those because I thought that I wasn't going to be able to rock those. I'm trying to be better this year, meaning that if I buy a shoe, then I'm going to put it on the feet. I'm trying to wear my shoes a little bit more, so I'm making more conscious decisions this year with the economy being bad to make better choices of the shoes that I'm purchasing so I can rock them. But I can't wait to wear these. I do have a lot of Texas gear that are all blue, so these will go nice with my sweatsuits that are all navy, and with this on my feet, it'll just make the shoe pop. And it's very clean and nothing really out of the ordinary. And we will have another video to compare these. Like I said, this shoe right here reminds me a lot of the Military 4s, but we know those are sitting as well. So if you're not looking to get this shoe, then I'll probably recommend the Jordan 4 Militaries because they are a little bit cheaper than these right now. But let me know your thoughts and opinions about these sneakerheads. And if you like contests like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you can see future unboxings such as this, sneakerheads. Until next time, we'll see you.